Jai Hind student, today we are going to revision the first chapter elevation and fundamental of business. What is the concept of business? Everybody remain busy in doing some activities or other, like some people are busy in producing things, some are busy in buying and selling things, some are busy in the professionals of law, or some are treating as a patient serving in the factory, serving in the government office, and busy in doing social work. All these activities are called human activities. If you look at these activities carefully, they can be divided into a two part. There are some activities which are undertaken to earn money, and there are some other activities which are undertaken not for earning money but for the mental satisfactions. The first type of activities are called economic activities, while second type of activities are called non-economic activities. What is human activities? Any activity that human being perform to meet his requirement is called human activities. Human need can be related to earning money as well as getting mental satisfaction. On this very basis, they can be divided into the following category, that is economic activities and non-economic activities. First, economic activities. Those activities whose objective is to earn money are called economic activities. They including buying and selling of goods, doing legal practice, or working in some factories. Economic activities are the following three types. First, business. Business refer to that economic activity which is conducted on a regular basis to earn profit through the production and sale of goods and services. For example, cloth shop, transported company, etc. In the cloth shop, things are brought and sold at the transport company does the same in respect of service. A transport company does not sell any goods but offer service for transporting goods from one place to another and charge carriage. Next, profession. Profession refer to that economic activity which is conducted by a person having some special knowledge and skill which is used in partially to serve the different section of the society. Employment is a kind of contract under which the one work for the other in the lieu of the remunerations. For example, working in factory, government office, etc. Then, non-economic activities. Non-economic activities are those activities which aim at not earning money but the undertaken with the view to gain the mental satisfactions. For example, we can say propagating religion, doing social work, etc. We shall now that what is meaning of business. In the strict sense of the term, business will treat it as a purchase and sales of thing. But in the broader sense of the term, business is the sum of total of all the activities which started right from the productions of goods and services down to the task of taking them to the consumer. Here, service means those activities which are connected with the carrying of goods from place to place of production and taking them to the place of consumption. For example, they include transport, communication, insurance, in storage, banking, etc. Business include only economic activities. Economic activity means the exchange of goods and services with the purpose of earning profit. It is therefore essential to see that any activities performed by an individual should be economic in nature in order to call business. For example, the purchase sale of goods by a shopkeeper. For business, the exchange of goods and services is initial. It means that if an individual purchases a thing or service for his personal use, this activity is called a business. In order to consider any purchase sale as a business, it initial that the purpose of the person conquered is to be earn profit, but sometimes effect to be earn profit can be result in some losses. It cannot be said that in case of loss it will be not be considered business. The initial condition is that the conduct of individuals should be propelled by the desire to earn profit and whatever may be result of the transaction. Thank you.